Hi and welcome to Mix Easy Eats. Today we're going to be making this Asian takeaway style chili chicken. Let's get into it. I'll leave a list of the ingredients in the description. Alright, so start with a nice hot wok or fry pan. Add some oil in there. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can use peanut oil or vegetable oil if you like. Now here I've got 2 skinless chicken thigh fillets, 1 onion cut into quarters, and half a capsicum chopped. And down the bottom got about 4 garlic scapes. Now if you don't have them, you can use 2 to 3 garlic cloves. So first up, add the chicken to the wok and start browning it off. We don't want to cook it right through at this point because it'll cook later when we get the sauce in there. Now we can add in the onion and the garlic scapes, or the garlic cloves if you choose to use them. Yeah, just give those a mix around in there. Get them all nicely fried up, and good chance to break up the onion. After a couple of minutes there, it's time to start working on the sauce. So I'm adding in this light soy sauce, but you can use ordinary soy sauce, about a tablespoon. And the other soy sauce here I've got is the Sweet Soy Sauce. I had around a tablespoon left in the bottom of the bottle. So I've added a cup of water to that, thin it out, and dump that in there. That'll all help with the sauce. Next up, we can add some ordinary tomato sauce. Depending how tomatoey you want it, add 1 to 2 tablespoons and stir that in a bit. Now for the zing, we add some ABC extra hot chili sauce, or you can use really any brand you like. I use this one, it's quite nice. So I'll go about 2 tablespoons of that in there, and using this along with the tomato sauce also gives it the nice red colour. So once the sauce is added in there, you can stir it all around, and you'll notice the onions are still breaking up, so they'll all be nicely separated by the end. And then we add 1 tablespoon of plain flour, or you can use corn flour, and that'll just help thicken it up. So just give the flour a good stir in, make sure you don't get any lumps. Once it's all stirred in, we can turn the temperature down to about halfway. You just want it to simmer for about 5 minutes. And you want to stir it occasionally, help the sauce thicken up and keep things moving. Now the sauce only needs to be kind of a medium thickness, not too runny, not too firm. So once that's done, just turn the temperature up a little bit more, about 3/4 heat, and then we can add in the capsicums. Now in with the capsicums, and just kind of stir them around. Depending how crunchy or firm you want them, cook them a little bit longer. I like mine crunchy, so I don't cook them too long, maybe a minute. And that's about it. Now all that's left is to slice up a spring onion as a bit of garnish, put it on top, and we're done. And just look at that. I can tell you it's delicious, and spicy too. Gobble gobble. Well, if you enjoyed the video and got something out of it, leave a like, that'd be great, and subscribe if you want to see more cooking videos. Thanks for watching.